Now, here's one theory, excuse me, that I've always had, and I've shared this with my listeners many times. Do you think it's possible that human beings actually came from outer space? Okay, because
some of my friends, I think.
Yeah, that's for sure. I'm sorry, I don't know your friends, but certainly some of mine do. But when you look at what does not fit on this planet, it seems that it's us. Because all we do on this planet is destroy. We provide. I mean, I believe we provide almost nothing positive for this planet, and the only thing that we do provide that's positive for this planet are cleaning up the mess that we've started. So, is it possible that we started somewhere else? We came here.
We messed up another planet.
We messed up another planet. We came here, and what we've been doing for thousands and thousands of years is just sort of getting back to what we had somewhere else here. Is that possible?
It's possible. Well, fake Carl, the real Carl Sagan, wrote about being a two-planet species.
Okay.
He wrote about the fragility of life on any given planet, and that as an insurance policy, we should explore another planet. Now, some people could say, well, we've messed up the Earth. Now we're going to mess up Mars. We're going to mess up Alpha Centauri. Well, he just wanted an insurance policy because he thought that intelligence was the most precious commodity in the universe. Even though, of course, intelligence can also be destructive, it is rare. Sitting on your shoulder, believe it or not, is the most complex object that Mother Nature has created out to 24 trillion miles, out to the nearest star. The human brain may be the most complex object out to our sector of the Milky Way galaxy. So, yeah, we are corrupt. We do mess up things. We do pollute left and right. But on the good side, intelligence is the rarest commodity in our sector of the universe.
Now, one other thing I wanted to discuss with you, I was reading something from a recent symposium that SETI put together. They think that within 25 years, we are definitely going to have some sort of contact with an extraterrestrial just because of the kind of advancements that are made in telescopes and things like that. We're just going to be able to see far enough. Do you think that that's possible?
Possible. The Kepler satellite went up last month. That will detect up to 600 Earth-like twins in space. Just last week, we found a planet that is only twice the size of the planet Earth, the first Earth-like planet to be discovered in outer space. And we're going to have an existential shock at night, looking at the night sky, gazing into our loved one's eyes, realizing that somebody could be looking back at us from outer space. And I think that could be coming pretty soon. However, then the question is, why don't they visit us? Well, if you're walking down a country road and say an anthill, do you go down to the ants and say, I bring you trinkets, I bring you beads, I give you nuclear energy, I give you biotechnology, take me to your ant leader? Or do you step on a few of them? Maybe that's why they don't visit us.
Yeah, I mean, I always worry if, like, when they come to see us, are they going to be here to meet us or eat us?
Well, they're not going to want to eat us because not only do we taste bad, we're not made out of the same DNA.
How do you know what we taste like, Dr. Kaku? Something you want to confess?
No, we're not made out of the same DNA. Like when you eat a rock don't taste good either, though I've never eaten a rock. We're not made out of the same DNA, and therefore, in outer space, they're not going to want to mate with us like in the movies. They're not going to want to share DNA with us. They're not going to want to eat us because we're not going to be made out of the same molecular structures.